printable sewing pattern for bodysuit. You can find this pattern in the description. Connect the details with a sticky tape. I made this bodysuit for my client, so I changed the pattern to her specific measurements. Make sure your measurements are suitable for this pattern. If not, you will need to make some alterations. I added extra inch to bust and waist measurement. Also, I shortened the length of the bodysuit. This pattern is suitable only for stretchy fabrics. Cut the lining for the front detail. Cut the lining for back detail. Add 1 centimeter seam allowance. For bottom part, use 4 ways stretchy fabric. For top part, use 2 ways stretchy velvet fabric. Connect top and bottom parts. I use lace fabric cuttings to decorate the bodysuit. I glue the lace to the fabric before sewing with Fliesland adhesive tape. Sew the lace to the bodysuit by hand. Sew together the shoulder line of both layers. First, connect the lining to the bodysuit on the neckline. Sew the lace to the neckline by hand. I add handmade decor details and pearl beads. Sew the side seams of the lining and bodysuit separately. Sew the armhole seam. I add elastic string to the bottom of the bodysuit. I sew it with overlock. I took out the knife of the overlock before sewing this seam. I add clasp on the bottom. This bodysuit was made for a client. Here you can see same design, just in my size. See you later, alligator.